Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to see LinkedIn saved posts. To do so, firstly, you'll have to go to your LinkedIn app. Once you open your LinkedIn app, you will be at the home page. Now, to see your LinkedIn saved posts, you'll have to tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on that, a bar opens up from the left side of your screen. Here, right above the groups option, you can see the saved posts option. You may tap on that. Here, you can simply look at your saved posts and articles. This is one method of seeing your LinkedIn saved posts. However, there is another method as well. Now, to follow this method, you can go back and then you may again tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Then on the bar here, you'll have to again tap on your profile at the top. Once you tap on that, you will be at your profile. Now, once you're here, you may scroll down and then under resources, you can see two options, My Network and Saved Items. You may tap on the Saved Items option. Now here, under My Items, you can see the Saved Posts and Articles option. You may tap on that. Now here, you can again look at your LinkedIn saved posts. This is how you can easily see LinkedIn saved posts. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.